What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger because we actually took my lifted Toyota Tacoma with 285s off-roading. There's a helicopter doing helicopter things. That's awfully loud. So yeah, we took the truck out, we were off-roading, we were having lots of fun. I did record most of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and roll the clips now. I'm gonna catch up to you guys in present day, as that was yesterday, and we're gonna go over how it went, also how she did after. She did something. But before, you already know, like, comment, subscribe. All right, now I'm gonna roll the clips. It's gonna be intro again because, well, I was supposed to just do it all fresh, but I feel like there's not enough content, not enough information. So yeah, let's go. What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today I got a banger for all the people who called me a mall crawler. We're going off-road. So I went into my Facebook group chat, right, my local Tacoma group chat, and they're actually holding an event. So I was like, hey, why not take out my truck for the first time? Oh! For the first time, let's take it off-road. Let's see what we can do. It's not the best off-road trail, but it's something. So if you're at all interested in watching a 2020 Toyota Tacoma Dirty Sport 4x4 with 285s go off-road, this is the video for you. We got like probably like a 10 Tacoma convoy, so it's actually pretty fun. This is my first time ever doing it, and let me tell you, one Tacoma is a joy, but having 10 is a serious treat. So I'm like super excited and I can't stop smiling. So let's get there and see how this trail is. As of right now, everybody is airing down. I'm not gonna air down because I didn't buy the tools that I need to air down, because I didn't think I was gonna be off-roading. After my last off-road trip where my truck shut down, I was like, you know what, off-roading, not for me. Now we're out here, everybody is airing down. I don't want to show you guys. If you catch them in the picture, then that's that. But I don't want to make anyone feel uncomfortable. So we're about to hit the trail. I've seen a Toyota Avalon so far, so that says quite a bit about the trail. I think it'll be fun. This is my type of trail.
Was anyone else scared for a little bit?
That was all two-wheel drive.
Was anyone else scared for a little bit?
Yeah, I got scared. All right, so we're at the top of the place that we're at now. The truck held up like an absolute champ. We had some lunch. Sandy packed us some turkey sandwiches, so they were pretty good. And we had some V8. Unfortunately, we're in a V6, but it's been a pretty fun trip. We're all the way in the mountains. We're around 3 hours from home. We were with the full crew, but we ended up just leaving a little bit early. They had like a whole cookout thing going. I would have liked to stay, but I also want to get home. I hope you guys enjoyed most of the footage from the GoPro, because I feel like that's what I'm mostly going to use. A lot of people wanted just to see a Tacoma go off-roading and see how it does. Once I get off the trail, I'll tell you guys how it went, okay? Let me not jinx myself, right? Let me get off the road. Let me get off this off-road. Is that the same thing? I don't know. Let me get off this off-road. I'm going to put y'all back so y'all can enjoy the view. And then once I'm home, I'll go ahead and walk around the truck, let y'all see how my Tacoma held up, my baby. Then we're gonna have to wash this. I'll probably wash it tomorrow, just so the mud doesn't sit on it for too long. And we'll go from there. The ride was extremely bumpy. How do you feel about this thing?
I have a migraine. My knees hurt.
I definitely feel like this is a very specific type of enjoyment that you must have. Yeah. So, what did you think? Was that good footage? I don't know. It's my first time ever doing like an off-roading trip where I really recorded. Sheesh. It was my first off-roading trip where I really recorded a lot of footage. Set my GoPro up and just let it run. Being with a 10 truck convoy, you don't have as much time as you would like to do recording, because they're just there to have fun. They're not there to make YouTube videos. They're there to wheel, which I learned is the proper term for the off-roading world. We are wheeling. So yeah, that's that, wheeling, right? So they're there to enjoy their trucks, their off-roading trucks. By the way, everyone there, I doubt any of you guys are gonna watch this video, but y'all have some really sick rigs. Like, they made mine look like a peasant. So we're gonna talk about how the truck held up. We're gonna talk about how the truck did actually there while performing, and my overall experience. This time, 2 hours away to get to the trail, and then it was around a 2-hour trail ride. Then another 2 hours to get back. So around 6 hours in total, and we actually finished it, and boy oh boy does that feel good. Now it's the next day. We've already washed the truck and, well, attempted to wash the truck. So we're gonna talk about how the truck actually handled when we were actually there. I think it actually did super well. So I was running around 36 PSI on just rocks pretty much, and it was fun. It was okay. It wasn't too bad. The suspension actually did hold up fine, and being lifted actually makes me feel a lot more comfortable than I expected, because now that I'm lifted, I feel like I could conquer the world. Like Mount Everest, you better watch out, because there may be a quicksand Tacoma running you over real soon. This was like an 1.5-hour wash job. Obviously it wasn't the greatest job. I tried my best, but yeah, mud is relentless, I guess. The reason I washed it so thoroughly is because I knew from the footage yesterday there was some scraping that was done to the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what damage has been done to the truck. A lot of people are like, bro, don't worry about it. It's kill. That's what we do off-road. But listen, brother, okay? This hurts, all right? This hurts. I'll be honest with y'all. I don't know why, but my hood means so much to me. And there's a big scratch right there. I will be trying to track down the branch that did that, and I won't say what I'll do to that branch, but I'll do something. But look here, this one, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm sure, yeah, you guys can see it a little bit better. Yeah, so that got pretty dinged up. and then the front took a couple more all through right here. If you can't see it, my fingers will follow it. Right here looks like I scraped pretty bad on something, like I turned not strong enough or not tight enough and got pretty beat up. But I really outdid myself on this one, and I'm probably gonna wash it again tomorrow. I don't know how I'm gonna wash it tomorrow, but I got to because my wheels are still dirty. So with that being said, let me know if you guys have any other questions. That pilot is not my friend right now. Yeah, it was super fun. I enjoyed it. I really want to do it again, but I also don't want to mess up my truck. So if someone has a rental truck that they can let me borrow, that would be nice. Or some way to protect my truck, let me know. With that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out here like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.